Well, in the greater scheme of things, the guy that had the electronic shop called me about the tools in the shop, and I went and collected. And they are scattered about my kitchen area-ish here. And there is a lot of it. Some there. There's scopes. Scope. Portable scope. There's a Hitachi somewhere in here, like the one I have. And we'll just briefly start somewhere. This is a oscilloscope, a Syncor Model SC3080, 80 megahertz. So it's got all that digital goodness on the top. This is an analog scope. They even gave me the table. We've got a couple of 50-volt variable power supplies here. They do work. They've been checked. Over here, a lot of scope probes. We have a BK Precision 15 megahertz scope, JC Penney on it. Don't know if that belongs there or not. Don't think it does. And I do have a manual for that. And then there's this little baby scope here, which takes about 12 volts or so to run. And yes, it works. It's been tested. Works just fine. All of this stuff does need to be cleaned out, of course. And then we have an NTSC generator. Patterns, rasters, convergence, patterns, and multi-burst. Just all the usual stuff that you would do with a television of analog breed. I guess this would work on a flat screen if you were to set it to one of those channels. Here's another one, an RCA VR515A color generator. It needs to be cleaned. All this stuff pretty much needs to be out of good dusting. Here's another BK Model 1246 digital IC color generator with patterns. Portable model with a portable scope. We have a solid BK Precision E2000 RF signal generator, which is very, very useful in my field of work, of course, and with radio, things like that. This is like a golden goose, you know, kind of thing. Function generator, BK Precision, a lot of BK Precision stuff in it. Set it up there. And a Syncor Model LC75 Capacitor Inductor Analyzer. This works. I did check it on a capacitor. Get your leakage, your value, ESR for capacitors, inductors, value, and ringer. And you can test the oaks, leakage voltage. I test the big aluminum electrolytics and all other capacitors up to 100 microamps max or whatever. And it did come with a cord. It's got the little things on it. Power cord attached. And there's also attached to the top of that via Velcro is a Syncor SCR track test accessory. I have no idea if this is working or not. The test lead is gone. Don't know about that one exactly. It's got a BNC on it. And we're moving along down the line. BIZ WR515B. This is a lot like that RCA thing. It's one of those color pattern generators, color bars, and all that junk. I guess if you restore old televisions, this would be like a gold mine. I'm interested in power supplies and RF generators and scopes. This is an AC/DC power supply filtered. The Welch Scientific Company. It's definitely in need of some TLC. Number 2606W. It's got DC and AC and a meter and a variac. Feels like a variac. Definitely feels like a variac. I also got another Electro 612T, like I restored, that I gotta put a fuse holder in and get going. Alright, AC power supply, it's voltage adjust. That is definitely a variac in there. It's AC though, not DC. Just as well. It's saying 150 volts. I wonder if it'll actually produce that. There's a cat toy. I have a cat somewhere around here. This is a tube tester, an old tube tester. Back is gone, but everything appears to be kind of in order in here, other than this has collapsed a little. And yeah, CRT, black and white, rejuvenator, picture tube tester. Here's all the adapters for such things. Socket adapters, which I have kind of have a use for if it's old computer monitors, things like that. Television's not so much. The jiggly camera, but I'm kind of worming my way down the line. I have an RF deviation, sweep width, audio level, comp signal level thing. It's an RCA. Frequency, RF carrier, 19 kilocycle subcarrier. Yeah, this is old. Definitely old. So all the bits on the back. And we have another beast power supply with a probe. High voltage probe. AC power supply. Yeah, it's missing a knob here, but goody goodies. And I think last, but definitely not least, is a Syncor SG165 AM/FM stereo analyzer. It works, but needs some TLC, of course. And another thing that is within my scope of use. And alongside that, a pile of computer power supplies, some more fans, some drill bits, some other random things on my table. This shit needs to go out to the shop. Here's a, what is this? TV tuner subber. Not sure about that. Toshiba service card reader tool. It's an SD card or SD card, whatever that thing's called. Here's a portable color generator by Heathkit. IG5240. There's all the patterns. There's all your switches. Here's how to do it. On and off your level. Portable, of course. And it's got that thing on the end. It's dirty. There's some new power supply of some sort. And a liter LPM 8000 laser power meter. Milliwatts, of course. Go to 3 milliwatts to 0.3. And here's the probe. I'm curious to play with this. It'll do diodes and helium neon. That's kind of interesting. Expect more videos on this as we go into playing with lasers and burning things here at the shop house. My shop is actually a house, my second house. It's not my living house. And that's the reason why the kitchen area of this house is got all this. That's what this place is for. I have spent many nights in this place, sleeping on the couch, working on things. Yeah, it's not where I live. It's my shop. Here's some more stuff. A Balun. What is this? A direct isolation unit for signal injection. Come off the oscilloscope and go straight in to what looks like corroded alligator clips. I have to clean those up. Yep, definitely corroded. And of course, no trip to the TV shop will be complete without a retro fitting F to 300 ohm 75 ohm transformer. And yeah, that is the latest haul of tools from the TV shop down the road, all donated to me to do whatever it is that I want to do with it. And I'm definitely going to be using the things on this table. I've got to take that Syncor apart and clean the lenses behind the screen and squirt all the controls and these power supplies likewise. The rest of this stuff just needs a good dusting. This thing here is very valuable to me, and so is this generator, and of course these power supplies. With that, guys, with that, I'm gonna call the video a wrap for now. And if you like it, be sure to thumb it up. If you don't, whatever, you know how this system works on YouTube. And expect to see more videos on this. And I also I got the output transistors for that amplifier thing. That will be another video. I'm waiting for the drivers to come in. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.